Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Delegation Odoo module by OpenInside. This module helps an organization to better manage delegation process. By using this module, employees can grant their access rights or rules to different employees for specific periods. By using this module, you can actively and transparently monitor all operations in the relation with a delegation of progress, promptly creating integrated, flexible, searchable and traceable delegation orders with a single click. Let's get started with our demo. To begin, we need to assign groups that we will use in delegation. First, enter the settings. Under Users and Companies menu, go to Groups. Click on the group that you want to allow delegation in it by clicking on Allow Delegation checkbox. Then click Save. After assigning groups, we will enter the delegation module. Click on Create. Select the employee that you need his tasks and responsibilities to be delegated to another employee. Select the start date of delegation and the end date of delegation. We can select the employee that you want the roles and responsibilities to be assigned to in this section. If you want all roles and responsibilities to be delegated to one employee, just click on the checkbox All Roles to One Employee. Then select the employee. We can see all the roles here. And here the responsible employee. After assigning roles, click Save and Confirm. Now, responsibilities of Mitchell Admin has been delegated to other employees. Once you want to end the delegation, you click Revoke button to deactivate the access rights that was delegated. This is how simple it is to assign roles and responsibilities to manage the work whenever the responsible employee in a leave or when necessary. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the delegation module developed by OpenInside. We hope this video has provided you with the needed knowledge in using delegation module to have more efficient business management. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of OpenInside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.